Ghost towns and the RV lifestyle. A journey into America's past. Imagine winding through the vast, open roads, your RV humming gently beneath the expansive sky. As you traverse the landscapes that cradle America's most intriguing secrets, ghost towns. These deserted relics of the past are not just detours on your itinerary, they're gateways to a bygone era, offering a unique blend of adventure, history, and the eerie beauty of abandonment. For the RV enthusiast with a penchant for the unconventional, a ghost town expedition promises a journey as rich in stories as it is in scenery. The allure of abandoned places. There's something inherently captivating about a place left to the whims of time. Ghost towns whisper tales of boom and bust, of dreams forged and forgotten. They stand as stark reminders of our transient passage, with nature slowly reclaiming its dominion. For the RV traveler, these destinations offer a stark contrast to the bustling campgrounds and manicured parks, presenting an unfiltered glimpse into the raw, unscripted narrative of America's history. Planning your ghost town adventure. Embarking on a ghost town adventure requires more than just a full tank and a sense of curiosity. Research is key. Many ghost towns are nestled off the beaten path, their access roads less traveled and, at times, challenging for larger vehicles. Equip your RV with updated maps, and consider a satellite phone or a GPS tracker for those truly remote locales. Safety first. Navigating with care. The allure of exploration does not come without its hazards. Ghost towns, especially those less maintained, can harbor risks like unstable structures and hidden mine shafts. Ensure your journey is as safe as it is thrilling by sticking to marked paths and respecting any barriers or signs. Equip your RV with basic safety gear, including a first aid kit, flashlights, and extra water supplies. The ghost towns not to miss. Bodie, California. Frozen in time, Bodie stands as a quintessential gold mining town. With over 100 structures still standing, it offers a comprehensive peek into the gold rush era, preserved in a state of arrested decay. Its remote location makes it a perfect RV destination for those looking to escape the grid. Rhyolite, Nevada. Near the eastern edge of Death Valley, Rhyolite offers a haunting silhouette against the Nevada desert. Once a thriving mining town, its remaining structures, including the iconic Bottle House, make it a photographer's dream and a history buff's treasure trove. Centralia, Pennsylvania. Though not a ghost town in the traditional sense, the story of Centralia is no less compelling. A mine fire, burning since the 1960s, led to the town's gradual evacuation. The cracked, smoke-emanating streets offer a surreal experience, akin to exploring a post-apocalyptic landscape. Engaging with history. While the visual spectacle of ghost towns is undeniable, their true value lies in the stories they preserve. Take the time to visit local museums or information centers to enrich your understanding of the area's history. Many ghost towns are maintained by local historical societies, and your visit can contribute to their preservation efforts. Photography. Capturing the essence of abandonment. Ghost towns present a unique subject for photography enthusiasts. The interplay of light and shadow, the textures of decay, and the stark contrast of nature reclaiming man-made structures offer endless opportunities for captivating shots. Respect the leave no trace principle, ensuring that your only souvenirs are photographs and memories. Respectful exploration. As you wander through these remnants of the past, remember that many ghost towns are sacred to those who once called them home. Treat these sites with the reverence they deserve, leaving artifacts untouched and maintaining the dignity of the space. Your exploration should be a silent homage to those who lived and dreamed in these now abandoned streets. Incorporating ghost towns into your RV lifestyle. Integrating ghost town visits into your RV travels offers a refreshing counterpoint to the more conventional destinations. These sites encourage a slower pace, inviting contemplation and a deeper connection with the landscapes you traverse. They can serve as poignant reminders of the impermanence of human endeavors, providing a profound backdrop to the freedom and adventure of the RV lifestyle. Community and storytelling. One of the joys of RVing is the community and the stories shared around campfires. Ghost towns add a rich vein of tales to your repertoire, from historical anecdotes to personal experiences within these deserted locales. Sharing these stories not only enriches your connections but also keeps the legacy of these ghost towns alive. Sustainable travel. Leaving a positive impact as you chart your course through America's ghost towns, consider the broader impact of your travels. Supporting local businesses, practicing eco-friendly camping, and contributing to preservation efforts ensures that your exploration leaves a positive footprint, aligning with the values of responsible and sustainable RV travel. A journey beyond the surface. Ghost towns offer a journey not just through physical space but through time, emotion, and the very essence of human endeavor. They challenge us to look beyond the surface, to see beauty in decay, and to ponder the narratives of those who walked before us. For the RV adventurer, they represent an unparalleled opportunity to connect with the deeper, often overlooked threads of America's rich tapestry. So, as you plot your next route, consider veering off the interstate and into the heart of America's past. The ghost towns await, ready to unveil their secrets to those willing to journey beyond the conventional and into the realm of the forgotten. Here's to the roads less traveled, the stories yet to be told, and the adventures that lie in the quiet whispers of history.